Hey, what's up? I have already used Honor 8X for about 3 days, and I haven't received update to Android 9.0 Pie yet. As you remember, I said in unboxing video that new software update should come on my phone in coming days, but I still haven't got it. Anyway, I will tell you about changes when I get updates. In this video, we will talk about performance of Honor 8X. As usual, I will run popular benchmarks and games. I appreciate your like on this video and subscription to our channel, Tech Brothers. Honor 8X is powered by Kirin 710 chipset. I have a model with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. There is a slot for microSD memory card. Let's start the performance test with AnTuTu. By the way, do you know that Honor 8X is one of the most popular smartphones from the brand Honor? The Chinese manufacturer has sold about 10 million units at the end of February 2019. The smartphone was released in September 2018, but it's still very popular in May 2019. Let's get back to our test. As you can see, Honor 8X scores about 140,000 points in AnTuTu. The next benchmark is called GeekBench 4. There is 15-16 points in single-core test and 56-62 points in multi-core test. The last one is Remark. The recommended test is Slingshot. As you can see on your screen, Honor 8X has 1452 overall score. Also, I have tested Wi-Fi speed, memory speed and GPS. By the way, I have a Chinese version of Honor 8X and it doesn't have NFC, but the global model does. It's time to play some games. As I know, Honor 8X on Android 9.0 has GPU turbo mode, but I haven't received update to new Android version yet. If you have Honor 8X on Android 9, please write in comments below, does it really have better performance? The first game for today is called PUBG Mobile. The maximum graphics is HD, as you can see I cannot choose HDR. The frame rate is high. It is very comfortable to play PUBG Mobile on Honor 8X. To be honest, I don't see a big difference between a good mid-range phone and flagship device in games. If the smartphone has about 150,000 points in AnTuTu, then it will run any games very well. The next game is called Shadowgun Legends. Have you played this game? Leave the comments below, what do you think about it? I like to read your comments. As expected, Honor 8X does an excellent job with this game. Although it is one of the most demanding games, Honor 8X doesn't have any problems with it. The last game is Asphalt 9. I think that these 3 games will be enough for performance test of Honor 8X. This is the most demanding Android games, and if Honor 8X doesn't have problems with them, then this phone can run any other games. It was performance test of Honor 8X. I have played the popular Android games and launch benchmarks. I wish I could test a GPU turbo mode, but I haven't received update to Android 9 yet. If I receive an update in coming days, I will make a special video with comparison the performance of Honor 8X with GPU turbo mode and without it. Hit the like button and leave the comments below if you want this video. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. See you next time.